the first thing that we need to do is we need to draw the encoder. We have 8 line, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
Okay, and then we have here we have what we call
the line priority.
yes, the output bits are A MSB, B and C LSB. So we need to put
C as low.
C here,
Yeah.
A right, A here and B here.
Okay.
Okay, and the next step is we need to do the truth table. So the truth table. Sorry. This one is input. Output. So we make a truth table. The first line is just the same. The second one, well. And then here is S. Is it? Alright. Here. Sorry.
The output, does it indicate the input?
Yes.
Alright.
And then this one would be H, and then L. What about this one? This one is
LLH.
Yes, LLH, and then
LHL.
LHL,
And then LHH.
LHH, and then
HLL. HLH.
yes,
HHL.
and the last one is
HH.
H what?
H.
Yes, very good.
Okay, let's solve the question.
Yeah. Where is your question?
Wait. So, it says that all of the inputs are in logic 0 state. This one?
Wait,
Okay.
why you think this one?
Because all of the inputs are in 0.
Wow, you are so good.
Okay.
So the answer would be H, and H.
Okay.
B, D1 to D4 are in logic 1 state, and D5 to D7 are in logic 0 state.
So this is the only input that has D5 to D7 in logic 0 state.
Yes.
So LHH.
Yes. And the last one is D2 is in
D7.
Sorry.
It's okay.
D7 is in logic 0 state. The logic state of other input is not now. So
D7 is the priority.
Yes.
So we just ignore.
how did you know D7 is the priority?
Based on the question, it says that D7 has the highest priority,
Okay.
assigned as the highest priority.
Good.
So, D7 is the highest 0 in 0 state. So we just ignore the other inputs. So it will be LLH.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, the question said that 1000 kilohertz square waveform in figure 10.32a is applied to the clock input of the flip-flop shown in the figure B and C. Initially input for this both flip-flop is 0. The key output is 0. So it want us to draw the key output waveform into cases and also determine the frequency of the key output.
Okay, so I will show you. Okay, now we have two cases, B and C. So I will teach you how to do the first case first. Okay, so first it says that, okay, I will draw it. Okay, from this we have to draw the clock first. So it says that in the question that this figure A is the clock. So we draw the clock. Start from A to N. Okay, so we start from there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Okay, so now we look at the figure that is given. So the figure is NGT.
NGT, why is NGT?
Because it have a bubble at the clock. Yes.
Oh.
So it is NGT. When NGT, it will toggle at the negative side. This side.
Oh, when it went down.
Yes. Okay, so from the question, it says that the Q output is 0. Okay. Now we have finished our circuit. Our
Input.
Yes. So we want to find Q. So we see at the input we have drawn at J is 1, at K is 0. So JK is what we call positive. Okay. Because J and K have no bubble, so we just use as same. So when J is 1, K is 0, so it will give high input, give 1 input. When J is 0, K is high, it will reset. So when reset, it will go down back
to the 0.
Yes. And then same goes as others. So this is 1, 0, set, it is set. And then we go reset, and then we go set, reset, set, reset. So when we have found the Q output, the Q bar output is just the mirror image of the Q output.
So when the Q is 1, the Q bar is 0.
Yes. So that is okay. So basically that is, so we have found our Q waveform that we want in this case type.
So for the second figure?
Okay, so for the second figure, try to do it by yourself.
Okay,
I will supervise you.
I will try, okay? First draw the flip-flops. Okay, the clock does not have bubble, so it will be PGT, right?
Yes.
Okay, PGT. So when it be PGT, it will toggle at the positive.
Yes.
Okay. So it also state that the key output is 0. So J is connected to the Q, so J input will be 0.
Yes.
And we toggle at PGT. Okay, this is J. Okay. So when the Q is 0, the Q bar is 1. So
Yes.
it will connected to the K, so K will be 1, 0, 1, 0.
Okay.
Okay. Also for Q and Q bar, how to do it? It is a bubble, but the first question does not have bubble.
Okay, so now we go as like this. When there is no bubble, when J is 1, K when J is 1, K is 0, the
condition.
yes, the condition that will occur is set.
Oh.
But when J is 0, K is 1, the condition will be reset.
This is when no bubble.
Yes, no bubble. No bubble.
So when it has bubble,
When has bubble, when J is 1, K is 0, it will be reset. But when J is 0, K is 1, it will be
Set.
set.
oh, so this is J is 0,
Okay.
K is 1, so it will be set. Set is 1, right?
Yes, set is 1.
Okay, so when the J is 1, K is 0, it will reset.
Okay.
Or it will continue.
Yes, just continue because the waveform is same.
Can I have your answer?
Yes.
Okay, so the Q bar is mirror to the Q.
Yes.
So when the Q is up, the Q bar is down.
Alright.
Oh, only this ah. Okay. Before you go to the class, I want to ask you about how to find the frequency.
Oh, how to find the frequency?
The question also state to find the frequency of the key output.
Okay, basically the frequency that is given is
100 kilohertz.
100 kilohertz. Okay. So this is the frequency that is given. So basically in this case study, the frequency just have to divide by 2 to find the frequency.
Frequency output.
Yes, frequency output.
Oh.
So frequency output is 100 kilohertz divided by 2. So we will get 50 kilohertz.
Oh.
So that's it.
Is the same for the two case.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thanks for the answer.
Alright, welcome.